Secret number 5 to add excitement to your life is to create winning habits. Now, it's been said that most people are just a couple of habit changes away from living the life that they want. The thing about it is that habits are automatic. We are almost like a slave. You know what? Not almost. We are a slave to our habits. So if we're going to be a slave to our habits, how about developing some great habits, some winning habits that support you, create the lifestyle you want, have you live by design and not by default? Now, I know that sometimes we have habits. We all have bad habits. And the thing about when we're trying to break a habit, we just try to stop the habit. Now, that may work for maybe 5 minutes, 5 days, 5 weeks, but you have got to replace the old bad habit with something new, a new winning habit. Sometimes I'm on the highway and I decide that I want to go maybe to a new store last minute. And I said, okay, I'm going to get off this exit. But because I'm so used to driving the same route time and time again, I'll be home and said, oh no, I wanted to stop at the bookstore. That's how habits are. So replace your bad habits, find new habits, find supportive habits. And these are just rituals. A ritual is not, you're thinking maybe someone running around the campfire doing voodoo or magic. That's not the ritual I'm talking about. Your rituals are a combination of all the habits that you have, and when you put them together, you either have a ritual that supports you or a ritual that hinders you. So I want to recommend that you create supportive habits, replace the bad habits with the good habits. You'll be on your way to adding excitement to your life.